I done made 80 grand, a nigga didn't even show up. Niggas used to talk about the way that I dress, now I see him on the videos, pants legs rolled up. Wasn't even think about getting a Rolex, now we got a Rolex and the whole thing froze up. Now you taking pictures of the shit, walk around getting bitches off the shit. They just talking about I'm living all the shit. Kenny cars really feel like I'm the shit. Empty hammer pants, I feel like I'm legit. 9/11 after David does a whip. Taylor gang, baby on that shit. Always on the grind, trying to keep my mind on the finer things I gotta get. That'll make a nigga rich. Lot of new kicks, lot of new fits, lot of swag that you see on me. That'll take a nigga bitch. They get dressed, I can get up and go. Grabbing all my shit up and roll. Walked in and lit up the stove. Took a dab and roll another joint, now I'm lit up for show. And my bitch is like a pin up. If I like it, then I buy it. Most of the time the shit is free and they just send it. Major paper and I'm winning and my outfit's sick. I'ma walk up in this bitch and I'ma make a nigga spit up. Cars really feel like I'm the shit.